So today, two tornado warnings in New York, West New York. At least I think so. The borders are a little weird. But this storm is heading up to Ottawa, in Cornwall, Ottawa. So inside this line right here, two tornadoes could possibly be in there. I wonder if it's radar indicated. By Albany, New York. Until 4:45 EDT. Okay, so options, take cover now. Okay, we seen this yesterday. Over here, there's also a different storm over here, but it looks like it's going away. See, look, it's going away. So we won't have no more storms to be around this area. I don't want to use pink. Around this area, because the storm is going away. Cigar station, there's a little bit of rain up here. Flood warnings? I guess, yeah. Those little stuff. Yeah, I guess so. So yeah, there's a big storm in Albany, New York. I don't think it's gonna hit Long Island because it's going east. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna hit Long Island or New York City. So 4 CDT. So yeah, so really this area right here, I can't get it to draw. But yeah, this area right here. And this area is the tornadoes. This huge area is this big storm. So yeah, scattered thunderstorms. There's a power outage, so I can't use my computer. And yeah, that's it.